So here 37 question, right? So 37 question is in how many years will 2500 invested at 8% simple interest amounts to 3,300. This is amount. Amount is how much? That is here. See here. Will 2500 means that is the principal is 2500 and rate is how much? Here 8%. Amount is how much? 3,300. What is the interest here? Interest is amount minus principal, that is the interest. So 3,300 minus 2,500 will be how much? 800 is the interest here. So that you have to write in this formula. Here in the simple interest you have to take that as the word interest. So 800 is the interest here. How much? Here amount is given, principal is given, interest you have to find first. You will get 800. So this 800 you have to do it here. Okay, so that is 800 into 100 divided by how much? Principal is 2500 into rate of interest is 8. Now you cancel it, you will get the answer, right? These two zeros cancel. 8 ones are 8. Now 25 how many is 100? 25 fours are, so 4 is the answer, right? T is equal to 4 years, right? Yes, you have to first read the question and understand what is given here. How many years? 2500 invested. 2500 invested means that is the principal, right? Amounts to means that is the amount. Then there is no interest means we have to find the interest first. You calculate the interest. Understand? Okay. So 35th question we have already done. This is the 32 question type. Okay, 32 question type. So let us do. What is the question here? So here a sum which amounts to 364.8. Amounts to means this is the amount. In 8 years at 3.5% interest per annum. Sum, I told sum means principal. Which means my question mark. Which sum means principal we have to find. Amount is given. So amount is how much? Here that is amount is 364.8 rupees. Amount how do we find? Principal plus interest. Interest how do we find? Yes, that is here yes. So here principal plus interest is equal to this much, right? So that is 364.8. So now in interest we know interest how do we find? PTR by 100. Principal we don't know. Principal you take it. Principal you have to find it, right? So principal you write it as P only. Interest is how much? That is T. Time is how much? 8 years. Time is 8 years. So 8 into rate of interest is R. R is 3.5 divided by how much? 100. You write it in place of interest now. P plus interest is there, right? So P into 8 into 3.5 divided by 100. 8 into 3.5 divided by 100 is how much? 364.8. Okay now? Yes. So now I told you to take the P common, means same. P is same here also, here also. If you take common, what will come? Yes. If you take it outside, it will come like this, right? So here P is common means 1 is P. If you take outside, it will be 1 here. Next plus P if you gone here, 8 into 3.5. 8 into 3.5 how much answer? Yes. 7 4s are 28. 28 will come answer. So divided by 100 is 364.8. If you add 1 here, 1 and it will be how much? 1 and 28 by 100. 1 plus means 1 and, right? So here how much? 364.8. So here 1 and means how much it is? It is nothing means 1 into will be there. So 100 plus 1 into 100, 100. 100 plus 28, 128, right? So 128 divided by 100 is 364.8. Now what you have to do, we have to do cross multiplication. So P will be how much? P is equal to 364.8 into 100 divided by how much? 128. Now in this type of question, what you have to do, shortcut I will tell. Okay, so here P is equal to 364 0 1 2 zeros means here 1 point will go away and 1 0 will come, divided by 128. You cancel it now, cancellation. So 128 will come in which table? Yes, 8 table. Will it come in 8 table? Yes, it will come in 8 table. Divide it. 8 1s are 8, 4 will be 8 6 are 48. Here you divide it 8. 8 4s are 32, 4 will be remaining how much? 44. 8 5s are 40, 4 will be remaining, 8 5s are 40. Now 16 you divide it. You divide with how much? 16 here. So if you divide with 16, you will get the answer, right? So let us do with 16. 16 ones are 16. How many is? 16 twos are 32, right? So how much will be remaining? 32 is gone means that is 13. 135. 16 how many is? Yes, 16 how many is? 135.
Sir, 8. Sir,
16 sevens are how much? 16 eights are how much? 16 eights are is 128, right? 128. 128. So 28 is the answer. 28 means which option? C is the answer. 285 is the answer. Okay na? Understand? So in the shortcut, how to do? Amount is given 364.8. This is the shortcut. Listen here. So what is given? So here 364 is given, right? So what you should do? I have written it as 364.8. I have written it as 0. So 80 will come here answer. That is why. Okay. So here it will be, I have written wrong, right? So that is, the question is, that is 36480 will come here. Okay. That is the answer. So here 364 is there, right? 364.8 and is there, right? So what you do is 0.8 is there. You multiply with 100 and whatever is there, right? So here what you have to do, here 128, that is 100 plus, we have to do it as, that is T into R. Okay, to find the principal we divide by T into R. So just here you have to add 100, here you have to multiply 100. Okay na, this is the shortcut, right? So here 100 if you multiply 36480 on the top, and 100 plus TR means that is 100 plus T into R, we got 28, right? You will get 28 answer here, 28. So 128 you divide it 128, that is the answer. Shortcut, remember this. Okay, to find the principal we have to divide with TR. So when the amount is given, here if you directly want to find the principal, here you take it this way, that is, here it is amount into 100 divided by 100 plus TR. So that is amount into 100. If you do, you will get this one. This is the shortcut formula. Remember this. Okay. So you see here 48 question, right? So sum of money at a simple interest amounts to this much. Amount is given, right? So here amount is given, that is in 3 years time, and this in year the sum is. These type of questions will come, sometimes it will come. Okay, so what is given, the sum is they have asking, right? So amount for 3 year is how much, and 4th year, that is the 4th year and 3rd year. If you minus 1 year, you will get 4th and 3rd year. If you minus, you will get 1 year, right? So that is the interest will come. So amount is how much? Yes, amount here, amount here. So if you minus, you will get 1 year, right? So that is the 1 year, means that is the interest, right? So fourth year interest amount is how much? So that is 854. 854 fourth year, right? Fourth year is 854 minus third year is 815. If you minus, how much answer you will get? Yes, huh? 15 if you minus from 54, somewhere around 49. Yes, not 49, 39. So that is the 39 is the interest, right? So you know already time, right? You know already time. Okay, so time you know means, can you find the sum? That is the principal you have to find here. Yes, will you be able to do? Martira?
Sir, can you explain this question second question maybe?
Okay, I'll explain. Listen here. So see here, first is for the third year, we know principal. How do we find? Simple interest 200 divided by what? T into R. Here R we have to find first. So these type of questions will not be asked. Leave it. Okay. Fine. So here, so Sainik questions we will do now. Okay. That is here 83. So find the interest, simple interest, direct simple interest formula you have to do and find it. Okay. So just principal is given, rate of interest is given 150 days. 150 days means year you have to convert 150 divided by 365 and do it. Okay na? So this will be homework. Next is 84. Mr. Single deposited. What is there? What is there to understand? Simple interest you have to find. PTR by 100. PTR by 100. Right? So principal is given, time is given, 365 by 100. 150 means 365 by 100 by year. Right? So do it. Yes. You will get the answer. Okay. So here next question 84. Right? What is the question? Single post office simple interest at 3% per annum. How much will amount to receive in the fourth month? Right? So here little bit different. So here deposited how much principal this is. Okay, post office simple interest, rate of interest is given 3 years, 3% per annum. So time is how much? 4 months. 4 months means how much year? 4 by 12 year. So will you be able to do now? We have done this type of questions, months. Yes, so we just have to find the simple interest, then we have to find the amount. Amount will be interest plus, that is principal. Okay, this type of questions we have already done. Do it. Time is 4 by 12 months means 4 by 12 year, right? 1 year means 12. We have to divide with 12. Okay, do this as homework. Next is Zubaida took a loan of 4,000 rupees at 12% per annum. After 3 years, how much money she will have to return? Means total we have to find. You have to find total amount, principal plus interest both. Principal is given, rate of interest is given, and time is given. First you find the interest and then you add it with the principal, you will get the answer. Understand? Homework. Okay na? All these type of questions we have done. Simple interest on 12,000 for a period of 2 years is this. Find the interest per annum. Rate of interest you have to find. Principal is given, time is given, and interest. This is the 3,800 is the interest. Will you do rate of interest? Find it? Yes? Okay, very good. Okay, good. Very good. Next is Akshita dad needed loan of 20,000 to buy a car. Mr. Das, bank manager, agreed to give him 3% per annum interest loan. What was the paid back after 5 years? If the loan was, what is the total amount? We have to find the amount here. Right? Amount is principal. Okay, good. So here loan means principal this is. Okay. 3% means rate of interest this is. And loan for 5 years means time. So first you find the interest, right? So interest you find it, PTR by 100, and then amount, that is principal plus interest. So will you be able to do homework? Yes, easy questions, right? 88. The sum of money will produce 143 interest in 3 and 1 by 4 year at 24% per annum. What is the simple interest? Right? The sum, what sum of money? What sum of money means? Principal we have to find. Interest is this. Time is given 3 1 by 4. 3 1 by 4 you have to convert it. Okay? So it will be how much? That is 13 by 4 year. Rate of interest is given. Will you be able to find the principal? Principal, that is simple interest into 100 divided by how much? P means we have to divide with RT or TR, right? So do it. Rate of interest is given, time is given, everything is given. Okay now? Homework? Will you be able to do or not? Yes?
Yes, I will be
Okay,
able
good.
to do.
Very good. Very good. Okay. So next 89 question. A trader paid 900 as simple interest for 3 years for a sum of principal, that is borrowed. Find the rate of interest. R we have to find. Same question. Paid 900 as a simple interest. This is the interest for 3 years. Interest is given, time is given, principal is given, rate of interest you have to find. Right? Yes. Homework. Right? Homework. Yes. Homework. Find the simple interest on 5600 at the 5 period of 3 years. It is direct. Interest you have to find. Principal is given, rate is given. Yes, homework. Right? Time is given 3 years. Right? Do it. Homework. Yes? Okay, good. Next 91 question. Huh?
Sir, you give all the questions homework, sir.
Yes, means you have to practice. Homework means you have to practice. Okay? Yes, practice. Calculate the time in which 1200 will become this much at 4% simple interest. Yes, homework. Time you have to find, right? In which time? So see here. Okay, I will come back. Wait, little. Listen here. So amounts to it is given, right? What is given here? That is, this principal is 1200 becomes 1375. Means this is amount. If you minus, you will get the interest. First you have to find the interest. You will get minusing interest. Principal, interest, how do you find? That is amount minus principal. You minus it and then you get interest. From that you find the time by using the formula. Yes? Okay. Good. Doubt means you ask me tomorrow before the test. I will clarify the doubt and we will do the test. Okay? Jatin borrowed 4000 at 12 paise for every 1 rupee. 12 paise at every 1 rupee means that is 12% rate of interest. How much rate of interest? 12%. Because I will see here, I will tell you. So see here, rate of interest is 12 paise na. 12 paise for every 1 rupee. Rupee 1 for every 1 rupee. So 12 paise means 12 paise. But 1 rupee means 100 ra. Yes, 100. So divide by 100 means it is 12% of. Yes. Divided by 100 is 12%. So that is why 12% it is. After 3 years, that is time is given and return 4000. Amount is given 4000 and a wristwatch. This is little bit, just wristwatch you have to find. Find the wristwatch price. So should I do? I will do it here. Okay?
Sir, the 12 paise is the rate of interest?
Yes, 12 paise for 1 rupee means 12 by 100. 1 rupee means 100 paise. So 12 by 100 means 12%, that is. Understand? Okay? So the students, till 100 questions, all are same. We have done all these type of questions, 101 type of questions. This type of, it is same as many years, right? So R and T will be same. So you do till all the 101 practice. Okay? So 92 question is little different. Let us see here. Okay? So here, what is the question? So the question is what? That is Jatin borrowed 4500 at 12 paise every rupee per annum. after 3 years he returned 4,000 and a wristwatch. Find the cost of the wristwatch. So return means he has to return what? Amount means principal plus interest. So first let us find principal here. So 12 paise for every rupee means it is 12%. Rate of interest is how much? 12%. Okay, because 1 rupee means 100, divide by 100 means, we know divide by 100 means percentage, so I have directly taken it as 100 divide percentage. Okay, so principal is how much? 4,500. Okay, after that time is how much? 3 years. Yes, so now what will be the interest? Now interest you find it directly, I am taking PTR by 100. So P is principal 4,500 into how much? Time is how much? 3 years. PT R is 12 divided by 100. So these two zeros cancel. So 45 into 3 into 12. What will be the answer? 45 3 is how much? That is 135. 135. 135 12 is how much? Yes. So that is 1350 and then here 270. Okay na? So here 12 it will be 6. Okay, and 1620 will be the interest. Yes, so 1620.
So the principal
Okay.
plus interest.
So this is the interest now. Now amount will be how much? Principal plus interest. So principal is 4,500 plus 1620. So total will be how much here? Yes,
So total 70.
6,120. Okay na? Amount total is 6,120. He has to give Jatin, right? So now he returned 4,000 and a wristwatch, right? So he returned what? So watch will be how much then? So he has to give 6,120, but he returned how much? 4,000 rupees and a wristwatch. 4,000 rupees, if you minus how much you will get? 2,120 na? This is the watch price, right? Yes, 2,120. This is the watch price. Got it? This is how you have to do 92 question. Understand? Okay, so practice well for the tomorrow's exam. Okay, yes, option B. Okay, here option B, not D. Yes, option B. Yes, 2,120. Okay, got it?
So syllabus.
So syllabus I will send in the group. Okay.